this week is important because Black women are dying. That's just the matter of fact situation. And the real deal is that Georgia was recently ranked the number one worst state to give birth in the country. And so, if that's the case for white women, that risk now is double or even triple for Black women here in this state. That's heartbreaking and it's devastating because it causes birth to be seen as something to be feared, where it's really such a natural body process, but it causes people not to be able to trust their bodies. It causes people to have, fears surrounding the experiences they may go through, because systemic racism is real, and it is alive and well. And so I can tell you, I have noticed the difference that my clients who are Black receive in the medical system versus my clients that are white. My Black clients often get hit with well, let's just do a cesarean because of X, Y, and Z. Whereas my white clients that I've worked with, they're given the patience and the time and things like that, and their voices are actually really heard. There are also instances, of severe lack of education surrounding mental health regarding Black women in the birthing spaces. So the way that our white counterparts may be checked in on is not the same way that we would be checked in on. And actually, in some instances, Child Protective Services would be called on a person of color or a Black woman for something that may have been allowed or let slip for someone of another race. So it's basically, this is important because we're bringing to the forefront our health matters too when it comes to giving birth. There's no reason that we should be dying at the rate that we die, especially because when the evidence shows that these deaths were preventable. That's the hardest part about it to digest, and that's also why weeks like this are so important. Why organizations like the National Black Doulas Association, Black Mamas Matter Alliance, all of those who are here, Shades of Blue Project, all of those who are here amplifying the voices of Black women in the birthing space. That's why this is important, because we're tired of seeing Black people dying.